Hello, my name is Anika Surya Purwandi, and today I will present my final project for the Communicative Grammar course. For this project, I choose a podcast from English Podcast Zone entitled Learn English Quickly with Podcast Episode 1. This project discusses a common and relatable situation in daily communication, which is how to handle an embarrassing moment when we forget someone's name. Through this topic, the podcast not only presents a simple story, but also demonstrates the use of grammar in real life communication, especially subject verb agreement, tenses, reported speech, and passive voice. The story in the podcast is about two people named Nick and Anna who meet in a neighborhood. During their conversation, Nick suddenly realizes that his office is located near me and that he is in a hurry to leave. However, the most uncomfortable situation occurs when Nick realizes that he has forgotten a name. This moment creates an awkward atmosphere, which often happens in a real life social interaction. The podcast also explains the background of their relationship, a conference, and talked about foreign investment, which is expressed using the past tense to show that the event happened in the past. In this situation, reported speech is also used to explain how the character how the characters respond. Anna said that it was okay and and her told him her name again, which shows a polite and understanding reaction. In addition to that, the host of the podcast, Marco, shared his personal experience by saying that he had forgotten his uncle's name during a family reunion. This example helps listeners understand that forgetting names in a common experience and can happen to anyone regardless of age or situation. From a grammatical perspective, that podcast also used passive voice to emphasize information rather than the subject. For example, it is mentioned that useful information can be found on a business card. This sentence focuses on the information in itself, not on who finds it. Another example is when specific details, such as email addresses, are used to identify people's name. These passive constructions are useful in formal and professional communication because they sound more polite and objective. Moreover, that the podcast applies complex subject verb agreement to show grammatical accuracy. For instance, neither the host nor the character seems to mind about this common mistake. This structure demonstrates how agreement works when two subjects are connected using neither nor. Overall, the podcast successful combines storytelling with grammar explanation, making the learning process more engaging and practical. From this podcast, I learned that forgetting someone's name is a normal part of human interaction, and grammar plays an important role in helping us explain situation politely and clearly. In the future, I will apply these grammar rules in my conversation, especially in formal and professional context. This is all for from me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.